Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we will learn how to write a to Z, step by step. We'll use lines and curves to make each letter simple and easy to write. Let's start our alphabet writing journey together. A. 2 slant lines and 1 horizontal line in the middle. B. 1 vertical line with 2 round curves. C. 1 big curve open on the right side. D. 1 vertical line and 1 big curve. E. 1 vertical line with 3 horizontal lines. F. 1 vertical line with 2 horizontal lines. G. 1 big curve with a small horizontal line inside. H. 2 vertical lines joined by 1 horizontal line. I. 1 vertical line. J. 1 vertical line that curves at the bottom. K. 1 vertical line with 2 slant lines. L. 1 vertical line and 1 horizontal line at the bottom. M. 2 vertical lines and 2 slant lines forming peaks. N. 2 vertical lines joined by 1 slant line. O. 1 big round curve closed like a circle. P. 1 vertical line with 1 round curve at the top. Q. 1 big round curve with a small slant line inside. R. 1 vertical line with a round curve on top and a slant line at the bottom. S. 2 curves joined like a wave. T. 1 vertical line and 1 horizontal line at the top. U. 2 vertical lines joined by a curve at the bottom. V. 2 slant lines meeting at the bottom. W. 4 slant lines joined like double V. X. 2 slant lines crossing each other. Y. 2 slant lines at the top and 1 vertical line below. Z. 2 horizontal lines joined by 1 slant line. Thank you, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to channel.